Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter, the engine air filter of your Suzuki Swift. Let's go, open the car hood and have a look. On top of your engine, there it is, the air box. And on the left side and on the right side, there are two clamps. These clamps you have to loosen. And now you're able to press the back cover a little bit back, and in case of this action you're able to get out the old air filter. A little bit on top, on a little bit on the left side, and unleashed. Good job. Unleash the air filter. That's the old air filter. Now it's time to replace the air filter. That's a new yellow, as you can see. Now insert the new air filter into the air box. Take care of the edges. Slide it gently back in position. Take care of the edges, of course, and really take care. But you are going to handle this, of course. You will do. So, the job's done. Now, assemble the cover back in position and supported by the clamp on the right and on the left side. Clip it back, baby. Good job. And now, job's done. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.